Hi guys, I'm Hafiz Muhammad Mehran, and in this lecture I will share to you that how can we overcome our fear of making mistakes. uh, as you know that some peoples avoid to making mistakes that if we have to making mistakes, people thought that I'm not fluent, I'm not speaking well, I'm not speaking fluently, people think about me wrong. So keep in your mind that English language is not your native language. English language is not your native language. So you should be learn it, you should be acquire it as like your native language. But it's not your native language. So what you do, you should be practice, and you need not to worry about making mistakes. If you're making mistakes, no worry. First time you have to making mistakes, second time, third time, but after some time you have to reach on that stage. You have to reach on that stage when you have to not making mistakes. You speak fluently, you speak very well, like a native speaker. So how can it possible that if you have to practice, if you have to thought that people say to me I'm speaking good, I'm not using a correct form of verb, I'm not using a